Hello, it's Haipon. This time is 격포 Harbor, Buan, a thrilling ATV ride along the coastline. This destination in this video is 격포 Harbor, a beautiful coastal area in Buan where you can feel the ocean breeze and enjoy wide open scenery. This time we experienced an exciting ATV adventure with an Indonesian influencer. We rode the ATV for about 50 minutes, following a scenic course along the seaside. A local guide led the way, not only showing us the route but also sharing the history and hidden stories behind the area. Thanks to him, the experience became more than just riding. It turned into a meaningful journey filled with local insights. During the ride, the guide took us to several amazing viewpoint spots, places where the sea and the mountain come together in the most beautiful way. The combination of speed, nature, and storytelling made the whole activity incredibly fun. And we truly love every moment of it. In this video, you will see our ATV driving routes, the interesting stories we heard from the local guides, and the breathtaking scenery around the 격포 Harbor. If you want a mix of adventure and healing vibes in Buan, the 격포 ATV experience is definitely a must try. Enjoy the video.
적벽강.
Here's 적벽강.
여기가 대한민국 명성지 13호 적벽강입니다. 멀리 왼쪽에 보이는 저 섬들이 군산시에 있는 섬이에요. 군산시.
That is 군산.
자, 지금 얘네 쏘게 보이죠?
네.
순환도 광교 도로입니다. 순환도 도로예요.
I don't understand.
지금 물이 가득 들어있답니다.
The water is like rising.
자, 저쪽에 지금 좀 살짝 나와요.
Korean. Let's go down. Come on. Friends. Hello, friends. You're a king? Not king? You go stand up like Fred. Damn. Hey. Okay. Nice view.